Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Solubility rankings can be tricky, but we will solve this chemistry problem fast by comparing KSP values for these specific metal hydroxide compounds right now. First, notice that all three compounds have the exact same formula type, which means they each produce 3 ions per formula unit when they dissolve in a saturated aqueous solution. For compounds with the same ion ratio, we can directly compare their solubility by looking at the KSP values. A higher KSP value always indicates a much higher molar solubility. Comparing KSP values shows copper is lowest and cobalt is highest. This ranking makes option D the winner. You nailed this chemistry challenge. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and trust given values to master these tricky solubility rankings every time.